Hi kids. How'd you like that super giant vlog yesterday? Was it yesterday? Yeah, I think. When you lay around the house and don't leave and don't do anything, there's lots of opportunities for some long, boring vlogs. Sorry, still hacking a coughing. I'm about probably 85% back to better. Survived my first day back to work, so la-di-da. Looks like we're gonna get rolling on this deal with the PNF, so that'll be kind of cool. We get back out in the field vlogs. So that's it. We're gonna do some chili. Tamara and Marshall both staying home today. Marshall says he's feeling better, so that's good. Chest colds with that poor little dude to hang on forever, it seems like. But we're gonna whip up a big pot of chili and tuck in for the night. Probably play some Wii later on or something, and just chill. But that's about it for now. See you later. We got some precipitation.
More like rock.
It's a little grapply snow. That's a little pebbly kind of snow. Like little snow pellets. Whew, it got cold. That's for sure. Yeah, probably none of us should be out here. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to be like 55 and sunny for the rest of the week.
I know, but tonight it's supposed to be down to 29 and it's still hot.
It's sticking on the ground though, kind of, I mean a little bit. But I'm going back inside. It's a big old cloud. It's kind of weird because it's mostly blue sky. It's just, you can look straight up, it's kind of blue sky. And there's stuff coming down. Some big old clouds over there though. So, oh well, back into the warm moistness. Some early food vlogging. Oh yay. Mommy's chorizo chili. Oh yeah.
Well,
it's gonna be great. Oh, nah, just edited the video. Oh, it's already done. Alright, I'm loading it up. Well, kids, we didn't get no snow. It's cold though. It smells like snow. Like really. I don't know if you can see that at all. Look. Yeah, we got some rain, something. We got some moisture. There's some drippy dippy coming down. Tall floater. Don't be scared. But super short vlog tonight, sorry. But first day back to work. A little. Still not 100% for sure. Mommy's going political.
no, I'm trying not to go political on my friends that I've had forever. I did a little bit just because I'm like, really? You're joking, right? How old is this picture? Question mark. You went to college, I thought.
So, we push buttons.
Yes.
And we get buttons pushed.
Oh.
For sure.
Oh.
We live in Arizona. We have a great big blue button that gets pushed on a constant.
It's all the time.
Yeah. Blue voter, red state. Good luck.
Yeah, I have that sticker. I've never put it on my car.
Yeah, I'm afraid if she puts it on the car, she end up with it'd be like blue floater, flat tire. Yeah, blue floater. blue floater, flat flyer. Blue voter, flat tire. Okay, so now we've laid it out there.
Hey, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it's snowing. We actually have snow covering the ground. And I was just getting ready to go to bed and just happened to look out and see it, but I don't know how much of picking this up. It's not sticking to the surface of the stone, but to the grass it is. And to the tail. So there you go. We got a little bit of precipitation sticking to the ground a little bit. So there you go. Got a little snow anyways. Hooray!